Good morning, YouTube community. Coming back to you again with a quick video. John Deere again, L130 is the model. We are taking the seat off. We're not taking the pan, just the seat. I'm going to show everyone how to do that, walk you through it, and get the safety switch off. Extremely simple. I'll take you through the steps. Okay, so we're in my shed here. Underneath, when you pop your seat up, you've got your safety switch wire. All right, you see that just pops up like that. And then you have these 4 bolts. These are 13 millimeter bolts. We're gonna use, my previous video I had the other day I put up, I did not have my my gun or my drill, my ratcheting drill here, my hammer drill to get these out. We've got it now, so it makes it a lot easier. I highly recommend them if you can get them. It makes your job a lot easier. So we're gonna take it out with this guy. 13 millimeter bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna loosen, and then what happens is this whole thing drops down and it fits into a groove and it'll pop out. We'll just have to get the safety switch out from there. Now, I'm not taking them all the way out just yet. I want to drop it down. Fell out. Put that back in there. And we should just drop down to a position. Let's see, did I lose another one there? Oh no, that one's there. Where did you drop? Let's see. There we go. Okay. That's out. We're gonna put them back in. On here, I know I can't really zoom in right where I'm at now. It's on the camera's on a tripod. This guy is a little tab. Your fingernail or a flathead screwdriver should work perfectly. All you do is just pry it and that little safety switch comes right out. And that's all it is. Seat's out and done. I hope that helped everyone. Hey, just a couple kind words. Get out and wrench on something. Give it a shot. You know, versus taking it into a mechanic all the time. Try and do it yourself. That's why YouTube's here, and I've learned a lot from other content creators that put a lot of good stuff up there, so we can pretty much figure it out and muddle through it and save the money where we can. So again, I hope this helped. Very simple thing. That seat came right off. I'm gonna put another seat on top of it for now with that safety switch, just so I can keep utilizing that tractor, but that seat's gonna go down the road today. So hope you guys are enjoying the channel, and I appreciate everyone that has subscribed, and I'm going to, again, keep bringing more content, and hope everyone's having a great day. Please subscribe to Iron Nation Garage and hit that notification bell. Take care.